Welcome to Midtown Mobile. This charming Midtown Cottage features 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths. It's over 2,100 square feet. It has a really cute courtyard in the back. It has a fabulous front porch. Come on in, let me show you around. So what do you think? Are you ready to relocate to Midtown Mobile, Alabama? Do you need to sell before you buy? No worries, I have you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today for your private showing. I would love to meet with you and show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Now that we've had the outdoor view, let's check out the bedrooms and the beautiful bathrooms in this home.